Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you how you can extract hundreds, even thousands of email addresses and phone numbers from a list of websites. Like we can create our list, we can add 100, 1000 of website URLs and we can extract their contact details. So basically I'm gonna use this software Contact Extractor Pro. I will provide you the software link in the video description. So first you need to sign in with your email address. You must have an active plan to use this software. You must have an active plan. Once you purchase, then just enter your email address and log into your account. So your dashboard will looks like this. Now I'm gonna show you how you can extract contact details. So we have three options, like we can upload CSV file, we can add websites manually, and we can do bulk paste. So I'm gonna use one by one each and every option. So let's start with CSV upload. Okay, so let's create a CSV file. So as you can see here, I have prepared a CSV file and I have mentioned 3 websites URL. Now I'm gonna upload this on the software. You can add hundreds, even thousands of website URLs here. Okay, in my case I'm just showing you a demo, so let's upload this. Click on start extraction. Okay, so the process has been started. Okay, let's see the extracted contact details. So here we have phone numbers and email addresses. Yeah, it's perfect, it's working fine. So this is how you can use it. Now we can download this data. Yeah. Okay, so now we can do with manual URLs. Let's go with this website and click on start extraction. Okay, so it's working perfect. We have got the details, we have got the contact details. Now you can do bulk copy paste URLs here. So this is how you can use this software, and you can extract hundreds and thousands of leads using this software. You just need a list of websites and you can upload via CSV file, manual entry, bulk copy paste, and you can extract data. I hope you got the point,